באתי לפיקוד הצפון כדי לראות את תוכניות התגובה. מדובר על חיזבאללה שליחה של איראן באזור. חיזבאללה לא ינקה מהאירוע הזה, גם בהכחשות המגוחכות שלו. הוא ירה את הירי, הוא יישא במחיר, והוא ישלם מחיר כבד על פעולותיו.
رژیم صهیونیستی زشترین چهره یک باند جنایتکار رو داره از خودش ارائه میده و نشان میده. اینا دولت نیستن، اینا یک باند جنایتکاره.
Conversations with the government of Israel, and again, I emphasize its right to defend its citizens and our determination to make sure that they're able to do that. But we also don't want to see the conflict escalate. We don't want to see it spread. That has been one of our goals from day one, from October 7th on. Let me say that we are deeply saddened by the loss of life that we saw. There is no justification for terrorism, period. And every indication is that indeed the rockets were or the rocket was from Hezbollah. We stand by Israel's right to defend its citizens from terrorist attacks. One of the reasons that we're continuing to work so hard for a ceasefire in Gaza is not just for Gaza, but also so that we can really unlock an opportunity to bring calm, lasting calm, across the blue line between Israel and Lebanon. We're determined to bring the Gaza conflict to a close. It's gone on for far too long. It's cost far too many lives. We want to see Israelis, we want to see Palestinians, we want to see Lebanese live free from the threat of conflict and violence.